Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin' It, and today we're going to change the shower head to one of these adjustable setting shower heads. It has like 6 different spray settings, but the best thing about it is it has this hose, so you're able to just hose off. If you get hair all over the tile, or the tub or whatever, you're just able to clean it better. All you need is an adjustable wrench or one of these pliers and some Teflon tape. So let's do that. That's it. Just unscrew it. Now you want to take off all this Teflon tape left over. I'm sure it's all cleaned up. I'm gonna get something else to try to get it off. It's just using a little screwdriver to clean up the thread. Alright guys, make sure you get this nice and clean. Use a little wire brush or something to get all the Teflon tape off and clean it up. Alright guys, you're gonna put your Teflon tape in the clockwise. Same way you're gonna screw in the shower head. It's the way you're gonna put the Teflon tape, okay? I'm just gonna put a little bit on here. That's it. Just make sure the washer's in here. Make sure that this is facing down. Alright, you're going to take your hose, both sides get the washer. And then you get to make sure they're seated in there. So you just take one end, doesn't matter which side, and just screw it on here. And tight. And then this side goes to the shower head. Get the shower head. Alright guys, that's what it looks like. These are the settings. That's this. Sometimes the different settings. And then you're able to, when you wash the shower, you can just hose everything off. That's it. So that's how you install a shower head. Hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care. Bye.